Hey, welcome back to another video of editing basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to delete your Canva account. First of all, open up your preferred web browser. Now, at the address bar, type in canva.com and click on enter. Make sure that you are logged into your account. Now, click on the profile icon which is at the top right corner of your screen. After that, find settings from here. Click on the Settings tab. Now, at the left hand side of your screen, you can see Login and Security option. Click on it. Here, scroll down until you see Delete Account button. Click on Delete Account. And you will get a code in your email address. Now, open your email address. You will get a code in your email. Simply copy this code and paste it in this field here. After that, click on Delete Account button. And that is how you can delete your Canva account. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.